Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how to upload any type of CSV file and then ask some questions about that CSV. Okay, then you can generate some charts, you can get some information from that AI tool. So let me guide you how to do that. Just get into the PC. Okay, for this you have to first go to the Google, then you have to type as Jeda AI. Now you will be able to see this generative AI link here. Just click on it and then you will be able to see this amazing website here. Okay, you can see some information like these questions, visualize, discover. Just click on the login button here and then you will be redirected to what? Jeda AI dashboard. Okay, now click on new workspace here, then you will be able to get a new workspace. You can see some rectangles, draw some shapes. Okay, you can actually download online whiteboard as a PNG. Also you can generate some AI recipes like these, diagrams, wireframes, writers and blah blah blah. But today now I'm going to show you how you can upload a CSV and ask some questions. I got a CSV like campaign data here. I'm just going to upload this CSV, dragged it. Now it's uploaded. You can see campaign data.csv here. Now I'm going to click on this one and then select the data GPT here. Now you can see by clicking on this, you can select the campaign data.csv. Already selected. Just going to ask some questions. First of all, I would like to ask overview analysis here. I just need the overview analysis, but before that I just need to double click on this CSV file. Then you can see all the data here, campaign information and channels and impressions, clicks, CTR, conversions, revenues. Okay, by the way, now I'm going to ask the overview analysis of this data and click on this button. Then you will be able to see this output and just wait. Oh, this is amazing. Okay guys, and you know what, there are some things. Okay, campaign impressions. So this is the chart, so you can click on this chart here. First of all, you have to click on the workspace, then you can click on this chart separately, and now you can click on this cog, change the chart into donut type, change the chart into polar area, and also you can change this chart to radar. There are so many charts you can apply. Okay, also pie. So if you think this is a mistake, no, you can make this large and you can move any data as needed. Okay, you can see that. Okay, you can reorganize, you can rearrange this. Guys, this is the best way that you can get some visual data for your CSV file. And here actually you can see campaign clicks, campaign conversions, how it works like this. This is a total overview analysis. Okay, by the way, now I'm going to ask about and actually ask another question from this file. Okay, now I'm going to see more data here. Actually, let's see what we can ask from this AI tool. And actually I need to know what is the best campaign. Okay, what is the best campaign, and clarify more about that campaign. Okay, let me ask something here. What is the best campaign? What is the best campaign and how it has performed? Need some charts to get a great idea. Okay, I just type this and you can see this here, right? Okay, by the way, now click on this button and then you will be able to see something here. It's currently generating. Okay, and best performing campaign analysis. Okay, this is called as that, and this analysis provides insight into the best performing campaign and its performance metrics. Okay guys, now as I requested, you can see top 10 campaigns by conversions chart here, and you can click on the workspace again and just click on this one, and now you can resize. Okay, resize as needed. Here you can resize this and like this. Okay, and let's see what's more we can get. Let me just click on the pan. Okay, this is the pan button and I just click on, and now I can see all the data. Okay, has been summarized. Now this is enough. Okay, I think you have to play with this. Okay, just try it, let me know how it works, because this will help you more and more, especially in the future. I think Jeda AI will get you more updates because this is an amazing tool. Here you can click on AI recipe, you can generate visual analysis, you can generate some diagrams, wireframes, and here you can see some smart templates here. Okay, so this will generate some prompts for you. Okay, and you just have to just answer some questions. They already have asked. Okay, just provide the answer. Actually, then you will be able to get a better result. I'm going to end this now, and by the way, just like this, comment this, share this, and please leave feedback, especially what do you think about this, and I'll come with the next video as soon as possible. Bye.